I was worried about adding this in her.
But you can have those CRVs, and a PCC. So to everyone, hello. I'm our Director of Sales and Marketing for the EBT Foundation, and we'd like to welcome you aboard. Just a few safety things. Please stay inside the car while the train's in motion. Please don't ride out on those platforms between the cars. Not that you'd want to anyway, it's cold out there. Although we are entering the summer portion of our day, the sun came out and it's actually somewhat warm, so I hope it stays that way when we get off. We're going to take a trip around the Wye and actually shove back over a portion of our new expansion. We'll talk about that just a little bit We'll talk about that a little bit as we get going. I'll come back and tell you about the expansion, where it's going, why it's going, and what you can do to help. Otherwise, enjoy the trip on our brand new passenger cars. They're still brand new. We get to say that for a few more years, I think. We've had these built for us in Bellingham, Washington in 2022. We have 4 of them. One of them is a passenger combine with 2 wheelchair lifts. So they're all brand new, though we designed them to look like they fit here at the EBT, so I hope you enjoy the trip. Welcome aboard. Yeah, thank you.
So my vision is that we would have 100-foot radius spanning all of
It does trundle.
which this is like 95-foot radius.
You just brought your Runk Road?
Doesn't like it. But I don't know.
Right.
But it will do 100-foot radius. Because it ran on the L in Chicago.
Right.
It was 100-foot radius.
We're a trundle.
315 ran on the L. It'll do 100-foot radius. I've got to think the subway car would do 100-foot radius. And anything else that we get. I would want to verify that we're shoving on the other end of the
I'm not really a train person.
Yeah.
I think after
Everyone here is not really a train person.
I feel like after working with street cars, it's like there are very specific trains that I can like to operate nowadays.
and tie in to the main
No, I think you get the mainline rail.
I'm really crazy.
Hopper cars.
So it's like put the rest of those up here and then back in. So right there.
I don't mind.
Yes, right there. Brad says he can't remember what he did.
We'll figure it out.
Nothing over the side.
That's one of those Xbox cars they put
It's all.
Hey guys, look out the sun. Tell me what you see here.
Not the bill.
You see, it looks like 2 Americans just on their foreheads a little bit. You'll see them after this hot drop.
Oh.
Well, you might be able to see them. I don't know.
For us, after the giant pilot tippers will never ever.
Over there, yeah.
Because 50 feet from this line train that way is
I don't know what they are.
They're not a contract.
There's the chutes right there. Look at that.
That area.
There's the chutes right there.
And now.
Yeah, that's what we just do it.
Going back. It's a coaling tower. So they brought coal hoppers up, dump them down, coals.
Building was pretty new up above.
They rebuilt one of
Here we go.
Right. We got a sports car. We looked at it. We went, you know, those things. Because so it's latitude, longitude, footages. We now not have an elevation.
I think the issue is that like there aren't a lot that like are still in operation in the
But couldn't play out whether we just physically get if we can't get it, can we do the project
it's not exactly.
in the full scope of what I'm
They saw it when we were there.
because you can't move the shop if you can't get it.
No, it's hitting the ground.
If you can't.
Well, it's per discretion, so.
Yeah.